Now, amigo, there's so many of them here today. So, how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
He's asking, how are you? So, how is everyone feeling today? Good? That's very nice to hear. Now, amigo here, he's quite smart, okay? He can count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, perfect, 10! And he can count in Chinese. 很好. Now, 很好 means very good in Chinese. Not only amigo can count, amigo here can sing as well. He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song titled Current Lai, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, sing in Mandarin. That's the silent version of the song. Amigo, come on. Sing in Mandarin. There you go. Current Lai, word for word. Now the second song originates from Indonesia, titled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Amigo, sing Rasa Sayang. Hey! What a chirpy song! Now the third song is a very special song, and it's for those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today. By any chance, is there anyone celebrating your birthday? Raise up your hands! Let me stop people on this side. Birthdays? No, it's not their birthday. Okay. Birthdays and no birthdays. Oh,